Hello, my name is Chris Malone, and this short video will show you how to use the Gather.Town app. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. So to access the virtual poster session, you're going to want to use the link that was sent to you via email. So by clicking on that link, that will bring you to this website. And this is the Gather.Town app. In order to use the app, you're going to need to specify your camera, your microphone, and also your speakers. And then click Join the Gathering. This will bring you into our virtual poster session room. As you can see, there are several posters within this room. Students will be standing at their posters, ready to present their findings to you. To connect with a particular person at their poster, all you need to do is walk onto their carpet. And when that is done, their screen should pop up and you should be able to interact with them using your web camera and microphone. Once you're done with that particular student, you can just slide off of their carpet and go to the next student's poster and repeat that process throughout. Please take the time to visit many different students as they have put time and effort into creating these posters. There's also a sitting area where you can interact with not necessarily those that are presenting, but with other people within the room. So if we step onto that area, you'll be able to interact with individuals that are standing on that blue carpet as well. Okay, thank you for attending our virtual poster session, and have a good day.